The state of Tamil Nadu has one of the biggest coastlines. In fact, nearly 13 districts falls on this coastline, and the state actually is very proud about spending a lot of money and manpower in protecting the biodiverse coastline. In fact, we have the Gulf of Mannar, we have the dugongs, and we are having special programs to protect them. So for the olive ridleys, every year hatchlings of olive ridley turtle, also called as Panguni Anmai, is actually collected and sent because for every 1,000 eggs, only a maximum of 2 survives. Unfortunately, this year, the case has turned differently because the coastline that is supposed to protect the olive ridleys is completely covered with olive ridley carcasses. This is very unfortunate, and the actual data shows that for a month, just in a month, nearly a 40-kilometer coastline is covered with 1,000 carcasses. What you see over here, that is actually an olive ridley turtle. This one presumably a male because we could see a tail, and you can actually see that the neck is bulged, the eyes were protruding, which has been eaten by a kind of predator. This means that this turtle has drowned. Now imagine this is a turtle that can actually hold on to its breath for nearly 45 minutes, and yet it has drowned. These are the masters of the sea, a species that has been here for like eons and eons, but right now they are on the brink of danger. They are vulnerable species, Schedule 1. And what exactly happened? Human greed. Apparently, the trolleys that are supposed to fish in that sea are supposed to be 8 kilometers further inside the sea. But this year, due to extended monsoon and such, the catch is near the shore. So the trolleys have been fishing near the shore itself, nearly 2-3 kilometers. That's what experts say. And what happened is that they are using trolley nets and gill nets, where the nets are dragged towards the bottom for nearly 3 to 4 hours, and these turtles, which are here for this very specific breeding season, unfortunately get trapped, are completely exhausted and drowned to death. In fact, I have one unfortunate species, or like one of the specimen over here. This is a female. The important aspect about a female olive ridley is that she will come to the shore every once in 2 years. She will dig such a pit, and she will lay her eggs. And here you see what has happened to her. She was able to survive the actual trolley over there. She was exhausted. Still she came over here, and as she was like laying her eggs, she gave up, she died, and she has died at this spot. Imagine, for 1,000 eggs, only 1 or 2 survive, and we are responsible for this. Right now, officials are bringing boats to make sure that trolleys do not go for a very long period, and any trolleys that have been caught near the shore, they have been fined. We've been told nearly 28 trolleys have been caught, and their license has been suspended for a month. But the damage has already been done because nearly 1,000 carcasses in 1 month has been seen over here, which means this is only 20%, and inside the sea, nearly 5,000 olive ridleys presumably have already died. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for NTJ.